In the beginning, there was one case, and then the second day, the third day, the fourth day, the fifth day. Now the whole community is in a chaos. What about adding some controls? In the beginning, there was one case, and then the second day, the third day, the fourth day, the fifth day. Now we have a much better situation. In a pandemic, control is critical for our society. Meet our solution, a contact tracer app that fights a pandemic. It will trace our locations, provides information about our contact risk, and help us to mitigate risks of unknown infection. It's a community-based app. The more people we use it, the more powerful we are. Help ourselves, help our families, help our society, help the world.